Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. This beautiful property is located in the resort community of Caribbean Park, Tower Isle, St. Mary. It is surrounded by neighboring villas and astonishing views of the ocean. This property can serve as a dream home, an income property, a nursing home, or staff accommodations for hotels, as it is ideally located close to numerous hotels along the north coast. The house is incomplete, but gives future owners the opportunity to add their personal touches and style to the property. There are 7 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms in the main house. There is a finished pool house to the back of the property with 2 additional bedrooms and bathrooms, with a kitchenette and living space. There is also a 5-car garage on the lower floor that can be utilized for many purposes. The property also has an unrefined pool and a jacuzzi to the rear of the property and an underground water tank. The lot size is 0.36 acres. The possibilities are endless with this property. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.